Mm-hmm. Let me see. Oi. Let me see. There it is. Yeah, motherfucker. Up about 13K right now. Was down about 140. But you already know. So we're going for this gap fill up here between like 153. Probably going to conservatively TP out at like 163 just because I have a fucking lot to do tomorrow to make it to Dubai. But this shit's looking really good. Shit was definitely kind of painful, I'm not gonna lie. If we look over here on Trading Light, there's not much in the way of us entering to this gap right now. There's probably like a few decent sized order blocks that need to get filled, like 2,000 right there, 2,000 right there, so not much. Once we enter into this, we're probably gonna send. And we won't probably get much headway from what I can see right now till like 160. There's like an 8K order block right there. And yeah, so whether we get it on this second retest right now or not, it still looks really fucking bullish. You know, had that crazy wick down there, which, bingo, got him. And so yeah, that was super bullish. I mean, I actually didn't add right at the Pico bottom. I probably added, what, like 2 candles later, which I don't know many people that have the nutsack to do that, to add to a losing position down here heavily. So, you know, look at this bullish formation. This is like a bullish reversal right here. Have this low right here, then we put in this this high right here. Higher low, higher high, higher low. This is typical bullish reversal pattern. Up about 20K right now. Looks like we might go for the gap fill. This is gonna be fun right now. Just about to get spicy. Spicy. Yeah, let me change this real quick over here on Trading Light. Okay, so there's some smaller blocks here I can see. 2K, yeah, they're really fucking little. These things are fucking small as shit. Oh, we're cooking now, boy. Up about 24K right now. Yes. I wonder if this is streaming to Kick. I don't know. I need to start streaming on Kick. Yeah, no, I think well, it'll be interesting today to see what the gap is. This right here. There's not a whole lot of orders there. So when you see gaps like this, price tends to move through them pretty swiftly because there's not many order blocks that need to be filled, so they can just fill right through it. Like if you look, I use Trading Light a lot. It's really fucking nice. I can show y'all real quick. Let me see. So Trading Light right here. Fuck. Let me try to get this working. So on Trading Light, you can see a lot of the orders. It's really nice. So as you can see right here, what I was talking about, a lot of these got filled. So there's like a 2K order block, and then these little ones like 1K, 500. You know, you could see where all the resting orders are, and then it's up to you to surmise like, what is this? Is this a take profit? Is this like a buy or a sell order? And you can pretty much use logic for that shit. Look, I think there's a liquidation. Is that a liquidation? A short just got liquidated. Yeah, people chasing shorts on the downside over here, like, you know they got fucking cucked. You know, you're supposed to like do the exact opposite of what seems obvious. A lot of people don't do that though. So we got some bigger orders popping up, 3K. Yeah, it still looks really good. Even if we were to like reverse, we'd probably still put in a higher low and just continue the trend. Tomorrow is going to be interesting to see what if the Chinese like ETF Bitcoin spot gets approved. And you can see I also have Bitcoin pulled up right next to this. So, damn, the thing is like way up there. You can also see like delta imbalances. So I would really suggest like checking this out. It's probably one of my most favorite tools when it comes to active trading. But yeah, let's hop back onto. So technically, I could TP out around like 167, but when I see that order block of, where is it at? All the way up here. I think it was like a 27K order block, 23K order block up at 165. So I like to set my TPs like conservatively before that, because I just want to make sure that my shit gets filled. You know, I'm not going to be greedy or anything like that. I think if I TP out, I will get 123K. So, yeah, I'm okay with that. You know, I don't need to be greedy. You know, I mean, what's the difference? If I TP out at like 167, I would get 166K. So, like, yeah, it's more money, but like, and also you run the risk of like not getting filled because you're being fucking greedy. So I would suggest not doing that, because we are in like tumultuous times. Anything could fucking happen. You just want to lock your profits when you can. Who knows? I might even like TP out like partial, like on the way through to like 163. I wouldn't be surprised if like some orders start popping up like there is right now, like in this gap. Yeah, see, there's an 8K order that just popped up at 160. I mean, that's a pretty decent size order block. So there's a 5K one at 157. So I could start setting like partial TPs. That would probably be smart, and then like a trailing stop, just to make sure that this shit doesn't go against me. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have to wait like all day for this to happen, because tomorrow I'm going to fly to Miami to get my fucking passport and then try to jeet out to Dubai to make it for the Token 2049 conference. ETF just got approved. I did not see that news. Drop the link, bro. Let me see the link. I gotta see that. Not gonna lie, GCR coming back and tweeting was that was epic. Hats off to him for that. Who was that who said the ETF got approved? I want to see the link. Give me the link. See if I can find it. Bitcoin spot ETF applications of Chinese companies managing 1 trillion won in Hong Kong to be approved next week. Let's see the latest. Oh shit, yeah. Hong Kong approves spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF they approve the applications, or like, I need to see some documents though. I want to look at the docs. If that's true, that's fucking bullish as fuck. They approved both of them at once. And by the way, these are not sell the news type events. Don't listen to fucking anyone saying that. Like, people were trying to say that before like all of like BlackRock and Fidelity and all these ETFs got approved, and it's like they're buying spot, bro. It's not futures. So it's literally buying pressure on the market. How the fuck is that sell the news? Anyone saying that is just retarded. It's extremely bullish. These people are buying the fuck out of our bags. So we're up like 31K right now. Feels good, bro. Come on, can we break this right here? There was a big liquidation right there. I wish I had it on stream when like we pushed up really hard. There's like a couple liquidation events. I think when we were testing this area. Yeah, this is looking really good right now. I'll show y'all over here. Yeah. So we're having like really good delta volume on these, 38K, 14, 8.4, and we have 5 minutes to this candle closes. This is a 3K. It was a 5K, so now it's a 3K order block. So that's getting eaten up. This is pushing pretty good. Bitcoin just like wicked hard off of that. I want to go check out. So this is something I should probably show y'all. I don't know if I've done this on. I haven't done streams a lot lately, but I'll show y'all. I fucking hate OBS. Okay. Oh, I disappeared. All right, so let's go look at the true stablecoin, not stablecoin, the true altcoin market cap, and that is basically total 3, but you take out the stablecoins, so you get the true like altcoin market cap, because obviously stablecoins are not altcoins, and this is looking really fucking bullish right now. Yeah. Let's go up to the daily. Super bullish. What was the weekly? Wow, look at that. I would think we'd probably retrace like 50% of this. So that'd put us right there. Change that to white. On these larger time frames, you usually get 50% moves at least, and then once you get past 50%, there's a higher likelihood that you'll do a full retrace. So probably first level we're going to retest right here is that. So that's like another 10 billion in market cap volume, and then we'll head to 546, so it's like totality like 30 billion right there. We can go check out dominance. Was Bitcoin dominance falling? Altcoins looks good. Let's go on the daily. Oh, that's super bullish right there. Look at that reversal pattern. Sol ETH looks good. ETH Bitcoin's even rising pretty hard. That's interesting. Bitcoin, let's see. This looks pretty good too. This demand zone's been holding pretty true, and then look, we got the halving right there. Just zoom out, man. That's like what I tell a lot of people. They want to get all weird and shit. It's like, bro, zoom out and just like look. Let me find it. I had found some indicator that did pretty much like halvings. I can't find it right now. I'll find it. Hold on. It was just like a good representation of like generally what happens, within a month or 2 months around halvings, and it's like massive price explosion. And I would expect this one to be more aggressive than previous ones because we have more demand than ever, and we're gonna have less supply creation than ever. So, I mean, it doesn't take like rocket science to figure that out. It's pretty simplistic. I can't find it, so maybe I'll find it later. All right, let's go back over. Nope. There we go. All right, up like 30, 34 or something. Shoggoth. Yeah, Shoggoth is very bullish on that. That is Martin's coin, if you don't know. It's an AI utility token play, and yeah, I'm making a video about it. Let me look back over here on Trading Light. Okay, so we're taking that out, 1.5K there, and then we have another 3K order block. So yeah, it's pretty much fucking all this up. Bitcoin's pushing up really nice. There are some big orders there at 66,570. So, yeah. Yeah, if anyone's going to be in Dubai, let me know. I'm meeting up with a lot of people there. It's going to be fun. Hopefully that the fucking war shit just like chills out a little bit. Trying to have a good time, not trying to be dodging missiles in the Middle East. This does not sound fun. Alright, so we're getting a little bit of rejection here on the 15. Still incredibly bullish structure right there. See, we're like testing these local highs over here. And that's to be expected. I can honestly remove some margin right now. Take like 10,000 out. I could take some more out, to be honest with you. So taking some margin out and probably adding to the position. Nothing too crazy, to be honest with you. We'll just do a standard like 300. No, I want to do 300, bro. What the fuck? And we'll see if this like pulls back a little bit. That's why I watched this down here to see the net short and net long delta. See if like shorts start ramping up a little bit. But no, this seems to be getting eaten up pretty seriously. We'll watch this just to see though. Hey, brother. Oh man, this looks fucking saucy. Look at that. I'm so thirsty. Oh. Yeah, brother. Alright, let's add a little bit there. Wolf, bro, I called you and you didn't pick up. What are you doing? Hey, brother. I'm gonna call your ass right now. Hey, brother. Bro, what are you doing? Oh, bro, did you just hang up on me? That's crazy. Oh, I thought you hung up on me. Bro, it was mad dark in. Oh, okay, bet. Bro, you asked me to play Halo like an hour ago. Knowing damn well I've not played Halo in like 7 years, 8 years, or something like that. Alright, bro, go to bed. It's past your bedtime. I gotta finish this trade. Alright, I'm out. What a fool. What a fool. Yeah, let me check Kick and see if this shit is streaming on Kick. Because I'm using Restream to like broadcast this shit everywhere because I don't feel like fucking with 10 different platforms. I don't even remember my login to Kick, bro. How do I even see if I'm streaming? Channel. Hey, brother, it's working. Yo, that's awesome. That is sick. It looks not that clear. I mean, it's not bad, but that's good. Let me see if it's working on YouTube. Let's check the Bitcoin liquidation chart. Let's see what's going on with that. Interesting. So there is a lot of cumulative long leverage right now across exchanges, like 2 billion compared to like 900 million to the short side. So, you know, that's a little concerning. You always want to watch that. When there's a massive like offset and there's a big differential, you're gonna see like some equilibrium come in. Look at Alex Becker. He just uploaded something. I'll put that on the watch list for later. He's gone off the fucking deep end a little bit in my opinion, but his content is funny. Cool, and YouTube's working too. Sweet. And I haven't been packed or anything. I've just been babysitting this fucking trade. You can't exactly just like chill when you have like fucking $250,000 in a trade. You know, it's a little bit stressful, just a little bit. I didn't charge my phone. Hey, brother. Oh, here we go. Let's check. Let us check. God damn, look at those fucking candles right there. Sheesh. Now we're seeing some orders pop up. Look at these fuckers. Everyone's very quick to take profit. Bro, I I ain't taking profit like halfway through this fucking gap. Are you kidding me? No. Bro, I didn't sit through drawdown for fucking 2 days during potential World War III to take profit here, bro. Okay? No. That's not happening. People gotta quit, like, being fucking pussies, bro. I'm serious. Like, you can tell how fucking weak everybody is these days. And they wonder why they like, oh, how'd you do that? It's like, bro, don't worry about it, bro, because you're not gonna do it. I want to break that previous high. That's like a psychological point of reference right there, as well as people are gonna have orders sitting there. Yeah, like look at all that. We can switch back over. No, that's trading view. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna break that right there. That's like what, 154.86 ish. And are we breaking it? We're testing it. I guess it's 155. Okay, so yeah. You could just like put the magnet on it. Oh, that doesn't work. Horizontal. There we go. Okay, so it's exactly 155.03. So we're testing. As you can see, there's one literally right there. It's not even that big. It's like 2.6, 2.7K. Let's go in on the 15. Oh, there we go. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Up 40K now. 41, 42, 43, 45. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. Solid. See, when we broke right through that, it was a good game. It was GG right there. What was my entry? My entry was fucking shit, bro. My entry was like way the fuck up here. Then I went to fucking bed, took a nap. I entered like here and here. I was really going for like this range we were playing in right here. So there was like 8 points of confluence to enter right here. So we had a demand zone right here, the bottom of this wedge. Also like the 4-hour 200 EMA was there. Some delta divergences, some like inside candles were going on, and we were wicking off the bottom of that. So like, you know, it looked pretty fucking good. It was good enough for me to enter a trade. It was up about 10K, like right around in this area. And then I went to fucking take a nap. And I woke up and I was like down here. Or no, I was like down here. Where was it? So I woke up and I was like freaking the fuck out. Yeah, so I added right here. So I must have been, yeah. So like probably woke up like right there or something. And then just like this World War III shit just started fucking hitting. Maybe this was where I added last, I think. Yeah, this is where I added last. And then I went to bed, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then, boop, I woke up down here, I think. Yeah. Fucking terrible. I didn't know what was going on. I was like, oh shit, this is not normal price action. So yeah, definitely been a fucked up trade, but you know, that's life. Definitely wasn't expecting this cascading liquidation event down here. And yeah, I had to add a lot of money to this trade, so you know, I don't lose. So funny seeing the timeline. Everyone's like, bro, what are you doing? Oh, it's like, okay, so like half of y'all don't even trade. Like, I'm gonna be okay, bro. I know what I'm doing. Like, I could let this position go to fucking 0 and I'd still be fine. But it's not going to. And the only fucking reason I even have any realized negative P&L is because when I only switched over to Bybit within like this year. On BingX, you can do isolated positions, and you can have a long and a short at the same time. So I assumed you could do the fucking same over here, but you cannot. I tried to add in a short to hedge my downside, and it just like peeled off some of my position. So that was not cool. Kind of fucked up my perfect record. Because if you look, I do in fact, or I did, have a perfect record of trades. Where the fuck is that at? I don't know, bro. Oh, Shogoth. Let's see what this is doing. Nice. Yeah, I'll pull that up later. I don't even feel like digging through the Bybit fucking dashboard. Alright, so let's look at this. So we had a fucking mean wick up here to like 156. Okay, let me pull up TradingView too. So that was a really good fucking move. We broke previous high, and then we broke that relative high from 12:30 a.m. on the 13th. And we entered into this, we entered partially into the gap. So that's great. And let's see. So if we pull back, we'll probably retest like 153, maybe 151, 152, somewhere in that area. Let's see. Just going through the different time frames right now. Okay, so we're over that on the 30-minute. What about the 1 hour? No. Liquidity chart looks really good too. I mean, overall, this looks really fucking bullish. Like, unless some crazy shit happens, like, I'm feeling pretty confident we're going to be retracing, like, relatively quickly on across the board. Especially with Bitcoin. If we have, like, a whole new fucking country bidding this shit up, you know, that's very fucking bullish. Let's see what's doing on the daily. I mean, I would at least probably this week see back to like 70K probably. Yeah, that seems really plausible, especially if we go on the weekly. Let's see what our new weekly level is. So our new support and resistance weekly level is, okay, so that fucking is right there. What is that? 67,543. You mark this out. Let me make it exact. 67,543. And lock that in. Okay, so we're definitely going to retrace it back to 67,543. There's a little volume shelf right there at 66.9. We'll fuck around with that a little bit, but we should push up. And if we break above that, probably get a full retrace to, let's see, 69,340. So that's I mean, that's literally like less than $300 away from 70K. So, in fact, that is right on par with what I was just saying. So it looks good. And that's just the major, so like all the mids, they'll probably move like crazy. If I wasn't already in this trade, I would probably be looking for other trades right now. I would say Ondo has retard strength, bro. The thing is fucking strong. Like if you go look on my timeline, you could see I took a screenshot when everything was shitting. Everything was down like 20, 25%. Ondo was down like 2%. That is fucking relative strength if I've ever seen it before. That's honestly very impressive. So I bought some. I wish I had bought it a long time ago. My friend told me about it, but I kind of faded it. You know, my entry's not the best. It's like 61 cents or something, but I mean, I'm already up like what, 50% on it? Pretty crazy in like a matter of like 2 days. So, yeah, definitely got to rotate some of the fucking bags here soon. Yeah, I cheated all of my AVAX. Fuck AVAX, bro. I mean, I don't want to say fuck it, because I did ride it from like $9 up to like 50. You know, that's a pretty fucking good trade, and that's on spot. Oh, okay. What time's it? Like 2:50. I need to finish doing laundry and pack. Alright, yeah. I'm just gonna let this play out, and I'm definitely not gonna stream this whole trade because this might go into the rest of today. But yeah, just wanted to stream part of it because it's a pretty fucking good trade. It was down 140K at one time, and I'm up, you know, anywhere between 30 to 45K, and hoping to close this out with, like I said, 125K in profit. Pretty good fucking trade, to be honest with you. It'll pay for the Dubai trip for sure. That is for sure. And that'll be nice. Samurai, I told you, bro. You're fading me, bro. What are you doing? You're fucking doubting me? On my fucking post, doubting me, bro. Doubter. Bro, why don't you go fucking tell what's his name to come watch this fucking stream? He said, "Oh, I'll interview you when you're a more notable trader." It's like, okay, my bad, bro. I didn't know that you were elite. Like, oh yeah, he doesn't even trade. Dude doesn't even trade. Probably been like fucking in CT for like 7 months. Has a fucking podcast, bro. Come on, stop it. Oh, these guys, bro. These guys. But yeah, Sol, Pyth, Jupe, Render, Ondo. Those are all good. Anything else, and it's debatable. Also, Solana's like, their network is doing a lot better. I don't know if it has anything to do with everything being down, or they do have an update today, actually. I need to see if they push that update. It's supposed to fix the scheduler, so it's something that like handles a lot of the transactions, and it'll be interesting to see how much effect that has on the network. Did that just take my shit down? Do I have to leave Restream up? No, I don't think I do. No, I'm good. Okay, yeah. I'm going to go finish doing this laundry, probably gonna eat some, and definitely get like my fucking hardware wallets and shit ready. Yeah. All right, yeah, that's it for tonight. I will try to do these more often when I get back from Dubai. Definitely won't be doing these in Dubai. Recommend pre-order on round of the site. Yeah, I already pre-ordered the Saga, the second one. Got the first one right here. Actually, oh, interesting message. Yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be a fuckload of airdrops for these things. Let's see if this thing's still connected to fucking grass. Bro, what? Is this not logged in? Bro, what are you doing? The fuck? Yeah, but no, this phone's pretty sick. I will say I don't think that I can have my Helium mobile thing on that like what is it called? It does like mapping or whatever like in while I'm in Dubai. Like I think they'll freak the fuck out about that. I read some of their laws and I was, a little shook out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Their laws are pretty fucking aggressive. But yeah, no, these things been printing. This been paid for itself like 5 times over. All right, yeah, I'm out. I'll catch y'all later. GG. Don't doubt me. Go tell homeboy he needs to fucking interview me so I can just tell him no. All right, I'm gone.